of the fact that Adv Mshololo indicated that she would not be in today due to some commitments in another division, specifically at KZN. So they therefore requested that she be excused. And on account of the fact that the matter is at a stage where she needed to cross-examine the witness, she could not request Mr. Munyegi to stand in for her and proceed with the cross-examination. Therefore requested that the matter be that she be excused today for tomorrow. And because of the fact that she's not here, my lord, we are basically not in a position to proceed. Information was related to the state and we agreed that the matter will be rolled over to tomorrow. Okay. Mr. Ramusipiri also requested me to stand in on his behalf.
Is he tired? Is he too tired to come to court?
I did not inquire the reasons.
How he slumped into that sofa, is it?
Yes, I did. Thank you, my lord.
Okay, thanks. So what's going to happen Friday? Miss Ballingham, she comes here.
She's coming tomorrow, my lord.
Right, and then what else? Because it's cross-examination. After that, what do we do?
My lord, I was in the process of discussing the plan going forward because we are left with very few witnesses which will line up.
Hello? How many are we left with?
Very few, my lord.
What's very few?
Not a lot.
I tried.
Yes, we'll try our best, my lord, to line up another witness for next week should the cross-examination of the witness gets finalized tomorrow.
All right. Yes. All right, I'm sorry about this.
ngenxa yokuthi lo-Adv Mshololo engekho ukhona-ke la sabambeke ngakhona asikho kwisimo-ke sokuthi singaqhubeka namuhla. Kuyacelwa-ke ukuthi icala angaqhubeki ngenxa-ke yalokho, nayo-ke babuza Msipile naye-ke akekho namuhla. So kuyacelwa-ke ngoba bekuyena u-Adv Mshololo ebezoqala-ke ngokuthi ahlome imibuzo kufakazi, akekho-ke kwisimo sokuthi angacela-ke u-Adv Mnyeki ukuthi kube uyena okwenzayo lokho. Ngenxa yalokho-ke kuyacela ukuthi icala lihliswe-ke kuze kube kusasa.
Mr. Mnisi, the experts, have they met? Ballistic experts? They're supposed to meet, I don't know when. 27, they said?
29. No, on the 29th.
On the 29th?
Yes.
Okay. But they've consulted with your client?
Oh, we're done with consultation.
Oh, you've done? Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry that we can't proceed today because of that reason. So we'll adjourn today, come back tomorrow morning. Okay.